quick learn for easy learn. Today we are going to do this exercise 10.2 of class 7. So let us go. Already we have uploaded previous videos regarding this lesson only. So please go through the same and view this video. Okay. Question number 3. Find the value of the following when x is equal to minus 1. The x value of x is minus 1. So we have to put the value of x is equal to minus 1 in this expression. So let us see. First question, 2x minus 7. That is 2 multiply x minus 7. When x is equal to minus 1, then 2 multiply x is minus 1 minus 7. Now first we will do multiplication. So 2 into minus 1, 2 minus 2, minus 7. Minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9. Both the numbers are of same sign minus. Then we have to do addition and put the bigger one sign. So minus 9. Now number 2, minus x plus 2. Minus x plus 2. In this we have to put x is equal to minus 1. So in the value of minus x we will put, with this minus is already there. So we will put the minus here. And now the value of x is minus 1. So we will put it inside the bracket. Already minus is there, that will be outside. And the value of x is equal to minus 1 should be put inside the bracket. Now this is done. Now plus 2. Now minus into minus is plus. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. Now question number 3. X squared plus 2x plus 1. Here also we have to put x is equal to minus 1. So in this one, in x squared we will put minus 1 squared plus 2x means 2 into minus 1 plus 1. That is minus 1 squared means minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Now 2 into 1 is 2. Plus into minus is minus. Plus minus minus. Plus 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 2. That is minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, both are of same number and the different sign. So it will be cancelled out. The answer will be 1 minus 1. That is 0. So 4, 2x squared minus x minus 2. Again put x equals minus 1. So first is 2 multiply x squared minus x minus 2. Now 2 multiply x, value of x is minus 1. Minus 1 squared minus minus 1 minus 2. That is 2 multiply minus 1 squared is 1. So 2 multiply 1 minus minus into minus plus 1 minus 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 minus 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 2 1. Okay. Now question number 4. If a equals 2 and b equals minus 2, find the value of a squared plus b squared. So first question is a squared plus b squared. We have the value, put a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2. So we have to put this value in this one. So if a, for a we will put 2. So a squared means 2 squared. Plus b squared means minus 2 squared. A squared 2 squared plus b squared minus 2 squared. That is 2 squared equals 4. 2 2s are 4 plus minus 2 squared means minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So we will put 4 here. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Question number 2. A squared plus ab plus b squared. Again we have to put the value of a as 2 and b as minus 2. So a squared means we have to put a squared plus ab. ab means a into b plus b squared. A squared means 2 squared plus a means 2. B means minus 2 plus b squared means minus 2 squared. A squared but 2 squared, a into b, 2 into minus 2, b squared minus 2 squared. 2 squared means 2 into 2, that is 4. Now plus into minus minus. 2 into 2, 4 plus minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus, minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. So 4. Now 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 plus 4, 4. The answer is 4. Okay. Now next question is a squared minus b squared. So again put a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2. So a squared means 2 squared minus b squared means minus 2 squared. 2 squared minus 2 squared. That is 2 squared means 4 minus minus 2 squared. Again minus 2 squared means minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. So we will put 4 here. Minus will be outside, that will be same itself. Inside bracket there is minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now question number 5. When a equals 0 and b equals minus 1, find the value of the following expressions. The first question, 2a plus 2b. So first question number 1, 2a plus 2b. Put a equals 0 and b equals minus 1. So 2 multiply a plus 2 multiply b. That is 2 multiply a is equal to 0 plus 2 multiply b is equal to minus 1. 2 multiply 0 is 0 plus 2 multiply minus 1 plus into minus minus 2 into 1 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Okay. So this is the answer. Now question number 2. Now second question, 2 into a squared plus b squared plus 1. So when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1. Putting this 2 multiply a squared, that is 0 squared, b squared minus 1 squared plus 1. 2 into 0 squared is 0, 0 into 2 0. Minus 1 ka square 1 plus 1. That answer is equal to 2. Third question, 2a squared b plus 2ab squared plus ab. That is 2 multiply a squared means 0 squared and b squared means minus 1 squared plus 2 multiply again a means 0 into b squared, that is minus 1 squared plus ab, that is 2 a into b, that is 0 into minus 1. 2 into 0 squared is 0, that is 2 into 0, whatever multiplied by 0 is 0. So this is 0. Now plus 2 into, again this is 0 is multiplied by any numbers is 0. So plus 0, again 0 multiplied by number is 0. So answer is equal to 0. Question number 4, a squared plus ab plus 2. A is equal to 0. So 0 squared plus a is equal to 0. Multiply b's value is minus 1 plus 2. 0 squared is 0. 0 into any number is also 0 plus 2. That is equal to 2. Okay. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.